Introducing CaseWorks from Orbis Partners. CaseWorks is a powerful web-based software platform that provides risk, needs, and strengths assessment and case planning tools for users in the criminal justice and other human services fields. In order to begin using CaseWorks, please enter your supplied username and password. This is the CaseWorks homepage. Using the Most Recent menu, you are able to access your most recently accessed clients. Click on the Home icon to display the Home menu. The Home menu will allow you to navigate to different parts of the software. Click on Client to bring you to the Client Creation page. Statistical Reports will bring you to the main reporting section of the software. Some users will also notice an Administration link. This is reserved for system-level administrators and will allow users to add, delete users, as well as perform a variety of administrative functions. You can access the Help menu by clicking on the question mark icon. The Help menu will guide you through a variety of functions available within CaseWorks. Once you have clicked the client icon, the client ribbon will display. From here, you can search for clients using various functions such as exact name match and sounds like. Please note that you will need to use the extended search function in order to search for cases which are closed. Click on the Create Client link in the bottom left-hand corner in order to create a new client. This is the Client Creation page. Here, you can enter a client's personal information such as first name, last name, and date of birth. You will also notice a customizable ethnicity section. Once all the required information is entered, click on the Save icon in order to save this client. After you have created a client or clicked on a search client, you will be navigated to the client dashboard. Click the Home icon to go back to the main menu as well as directly access the reporting section. Click the Edit Client icon to edit this client's personal information. Click the Reassign icon to reassign this client to another user. Click the Create Assessment icon in order to create a new assessment. Once the icon is clicked, you will need to select the type of assessment. Initial assessment will be the only option for newly created clients. You will also need to enter the date the assessment took place. Click the Save icon in order to save this assessment and be navigated to the Assessment Information page. This is the Assessment Information page. From here, you can enter information such as zip code, school district, place of commitment, etc. You will also be able to add offenses as well as perform a variety of different functions. The PS Results button will turn blue when all the information for a pre-screen has been entered into the individual domains. Click on the PS Results to display a list of all questions that need to be answered for a pre-screen. Please note the blue line within the individual domains. This line indicates how many questions within each domain need to be answered. The FA Results button will turn green when all the questions within all domains have been answered. All questions need to be answered in order to access the full assessment results. Click the Assessment button to navigate to the Assessment Information page. This button will turn blue or green when the pre-screen or full assessment has been completed. These are the domain indicators. Click on these in order to access the individual domains to start answering questions. The individual domain indicators will also turn green or blue when all the questions for a pre-screen or full assessment have been answered. Click the Legal History domain. You will notice that the Save button has turned black. This signifies that any entered information will be automatically saved when you navigate away from the domain. Answer all questions within Legal History and click on either the Save icon or the next domain. Click on the Family domain. You will notice that the Legal History domain has turned green, signifying that it is complete. Please note the blue line in Family, which signifies which questions need to be answered to complete the pre-screen. Now that all the pre-screen questions have been answered, the PS Results button has turned green to indicate the pre-screen results are complete and available. The Assessment icon has turned blue, indicating that it is now pre-screen complete. Click on the PS Results button to access and view the pre-screen results. The risk and protective levels are displayed on the left. The right side of the pre-screen results displays all the domains which are contributing to this client's risk levels. Click the Print button in order to print the pre-screen results. Answer all of the remaining domain questions in order to display the full assessment results. We are about to finish the last domain required to complete the assessment. As the last question is answered and the page is saved, the Assessment and FA Results button will turn green. Click on the FA Results button in order to display the full assessment scoring wheel. Click the FA Results button to access the full assessment results. You can print the results by clicking on the print icon. You can also access this client's narrative by clicking the View Narrative button. This completes our CaseWorks demo video. Click the Home menu and then Exit in order to log out of the application.